Alright, so the next thing that I'm making is blueberry crumble bars. I love this recipe because it's super easy to make and super simple. They always sell out very fast, so this is the recipe. It's so annoying.
What happened?
Whenever the timer goes off and I'm in the middle of a video, it deletes the video.
Oh no.
I will try as well. I should, Jared. Show him cascades. Cascading.
But you missed the cascading.
No, it just looks like soda.
Yeah, it looks like the nitrate.
Hey guys, welcome to Bake Flow. Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry crumble bars. We're going to start these blueberry crumble bars off with putting a half cup of brown sugar in the bowl and a half cup of white sugar. Okay? So I got a half cup of each, and then we're going to put, actually you know what? We're not going to put that in yet. We're going to put our baking powder and our flour. So we're going to do 3 cups of flour right in the bowl. Okay, like so.
A cup of flour?
Never have, but my friend Mackenzie has, and she said it wasn't that good, so I'm not going to try it. Guess you get sick from raw flour. Okay,
It says on the back.
we're going to put 1 teaspoon, oh my god, 1 teaspoon of baking powder right in there. And then we're gonna put 1 cup of butter, 2 sticks inside of here. I'm gonna open this guy up, and we're gonna wanna chop this butter up a little bit into little cubes, just so it mixes in there properly. Grab my knife. Cubes like this. What I'm making right now is just the crust for these bars. There will also be a filling that will be mainly blueberries, but right now we're just focusing on the crust. So that's going in, and then we're gonna mix it up. Whoops. And the butter is cold, by the way. Where's my paddle attachment?
It's not all glamorous. Someone's gotta wash. She thinks she can just bake and drop all her off of here. Meanwhile, I'm scooping this mixer. She can make another thing for you guys. You know, it's life. Not being the spotlight. It's reality TV.
Found my attachment, and we're gonna mix this up. Alright, since this is cold butter, this crust will be a little bit different. It's not going to form together as well as our other doughs do. So it's going to be a little crumbly, and that's okay. That's the point. So we're just going to let that be for a couple minutes, and we'll just let that mix together. A little too fast. Mix it together until the butter is nice and small and mixed in with the flour. In the bowl, I have my butter, sugar, flour, egg, and salt. And it's just mixing into a crumble to press into a pan. Okay, I forgot one special ingredient is an egg, so don't forget that because I almost did. I was wondering why it looked a little bit weird. Yeah, an egg, and I also forgot a pinch of salt. So we're literally gonna put a pinch of salt in there, okay? And while that's mixing, we'll make our filling. So, gotta grab my bowl. Got a bowl. We're gonna do 4 cups of blueberries. All right, got 4 cups of blueberries. And then we're gonna do a half cup of white sugar. Okay? And then We're gonna do 4 teaspoons of cornstarch up in here. I don't really like the cornstarch. I think is mainly because the blueberries get so saucy when they cook. So this helps like thicken that liquid that the blueberries produce. Can you grab me a lemon?
Blah, 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 blah.
Out of the drawer, thank you. My assistant is very helpful, thank you. We're gonna take the lemon, slice it in half, and we are gonna squeeze in about 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. All right, that's about 1.5 teaspoons. I'm not 100% sure, but it'll do. You know, if it's a little extra, what does it matter? Okay, so this is all in here. Now we're just gonna mix it together like this. And this is our filling. That's literally all that's in here is just blueberries, cornstarch, sugar, and lemon juice. And we're just gonna wait until that crust is done, and we will throw these blueberries on top as well as the remaining crust dough thing, whatever you wanna call it. Okay, so we'll wait 7 minutes. All right. I have my pan, the 13 by 9, and I have my parchment paper, of course. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump half of our crust inside the pan. Not all of it, just half. So we're gonna do this. That looks like about half. Just eyeball it. And we're just gonna spread it around with our hands, and we're gonna press it into the pan. Can you just speed this part up, you know? Okay, so we're gonna bake this crust at 375 just for 7 minutes, just this. So we're gonna put in our crust, 375 for 7 minutes. Don't forget to set your timer. What are you doing?
Now you give me dirty dishes.
No, I don't have any. So what would you say is your favorite dessert here
That you made?
that we make?
Those cookies.
Which cookies?
Those cookies. Those ones. They're the little drizzle on the top. They're really skinny and flat. Come on, they're like a cinnamon butter cookie.
Cinnamon roll cookie.
Those are really good.
Maybe we'll make those next time. Hey. Okay, so 7 minutes went by really fast, and I'm gonna take this out, and it's done. So that's a first, that it's actually done the time that we said. Okay, so that is barely baked, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our blueberry filling. We'll mix it up one more time. So for my filling, I have blueberries, cornstarch, sugar, and lemon juice all in here, and I just mix it all up, and I'm just waiting for the first layer of my crust to bake before I put this on there. So I'm gonna put this on there, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the crumble topping. And we're just gonna dump it on top of the crumble bars. All right, we're gonna spread this around nice and evenly, like so. Now that that's even, we're gonna put the rest of our crumble topping. We'll just sprinkle it on like this. Now this crust is basically just like a shortbread, a very basic crust. What's gonna be the flavor is obviously the blueberries. And there's not a ton of sugar in this dessert, so it's not super sweet. I really like it. So we're just gonna spread this on evenly, like so. And then we're gonna put it back in the oven for another like 30 minutes until the crust and blueberries are cooked. And so we'll see you in 30 minutes to check on this. I think 30 minutes. Yeah, 35 minutes. Okay. There we go. Doesn't even say 30 minutes. It says like 37. Lemon berry.
What are you doing not in your station?
Well, I gotta go make a sign for this girl because someone can't make a sign, okay?
I'm busy. I'm literally so busy back here.
I know, it's so busy. I can't like it's so hard to be me. Anyway, see these hands? My hands look like this, so hers can look like that.
All right, 2 hours later, this is ready. This looks really good. So, as you can see, it's very baked. It's done. It was literally in there for like 45 minutes. Nice crispy crumb topping, and now we're just gonna let it cool for a bit before we cut into it, because if you cut into it right now, it's gonna be really sloppy, so we're gonna wait till it cools. Get off me. Get off.
Okay.
Get out of my shop.
Whenever a woman in my house gets a knife in their hand, I stand and pay attention and listen. Okay?
Alright, Alright, okay, I'm cutting this. It's kind of cold. It's still pretty hot. I won't lie to you about that. H. Very gentle. Alright, so this is done. As you can see, the blueberries are perfectly cooked. There's a nice crumble topping and a thick layer of like a shortbread crust. And they're ready to be eaten. So, wanna try them? Come in sometime and maybe we'll have them, you know? What's up? We've gotta chill out for a bit, they're really hot. So that's it. And the blueberry filling is just cooked enough, so I'm really excited for these. Y'all have to come and try it.
Well, for me,
For you want like something deep and
I
like.
put good ingredients in my life, and I take the time and the discipline to prepare things right and actually focus on what I'm doing, I get good results. I mean, that's kind of God's way with me, is what good stuff goes in, good stuff comes in.
This is about baking, which is fine, and maybe that stuff will come naturally, but I'm not gonna muster up some like altar call. Thank you for watching Bake Flow. If you want to see more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe.